Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and thank you to Miss Bennett. She has her own YouTube channel. She does makeup tutorials and her voice is amazing. For being the first person to comment on my last video. I really do appreciate your guys' support, especially with me being gone for so long. But let's just get right into this beautiful look. Today was the day of my family member's funeral, so I was going for something simple. I wanted a wing, but like a smoked out wing. I didn't want anything too flashy or out there, so I'm just kind of blending in some browns and a black into my lash line and kind of creating a wing using tape. And this is an easy trick that will help with the shape. I don't use tape very much anymore. I used to a lot on my channel, but you know, if you're going for a specific look, it's perfectly okay to add some tape in there, and it just makes it a lot easier, especially if you're in a rush and don't want to spend the time to make sure you get that line as nice as you want it. I have lost a few subscribers over these kinds of tutorials, so leave a comment down below letting me know whether you guys like these or not. I like them because you can see the colors, and I'm trying my best to explain what I'm doing, but I have lost a couple of subscribers over these kinds of tutorials, so just let me know. I feel like it gets the job done faster, like you can see what I'm doing clearly and I'm trying to explain. I used a black in the palette to create the wing, but like I said, I'm smoking it out, so I'm just taking some browns and kind of making it more of like a smoky eye instead of a wing, because I don't want the line to be too harsh. I've also lost some subscribers being off for this week. Like I said, I didn't really have a huge personal connection to the family member that passed, but my family is having a really hard time, and I just wanted to make myself available to them if needed. I didn't want to be stuck busy at my desk or, you know, trying to edit a video. I wanted to be able to go over and comfort the ones that needed it, or whatever my family needed in that moment. And I really do appreciate all of you that have been here from the beginning, and all of you that stayed even though I haven't posted all week. I know sometimes it feels like I post too much, and I know this break was probably nice to some of you, but I do really appreciate you guys for staying. And just leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment letting me know. Again, if you are having thoughts of suicide or depression, or you just need somebody to talk to, please feel free to message me. I leave my link to Facebook in my description, but you can also find me on Snapchat and Instagram. And seriously, if you ever need anybody to talk to, I don't care who you are, message me and I will talk to you. No one should ever have to feel alone or feel like they're going through things by themselves. And there's a community here, and I would like you to know that, you know, I'm here for you. To leave me doing my face in the video because I usually don't show the face products that I use. I usually cut this whole part out because it takes so long, and after a while it gets pretty repetitive. but I've been using the same stuff here lately for a while, so I figured it might be nice to add them in there so you can see what products I'm using. This highlight is a little too dark for me, and usually I tell you not to use it if it's too dark, and you can tell if it's too dark if you turn and it kind of gives you a gray cast, and you can tell if it's too light if it kind of looks like chalk on your cheek. But this is such a pretty highlighter, and I'm so close to being the right shade for it that I really don't care. I just don't recommend it for you because you might be looking in the mirror at home and think it looks great, and then be out somewhere and be like, why does my face have a gray streak on it? And that's why. My camera cut off in the middle of me doing my eyebrows, so I only have the last half of me doing my eyebrows, and that's okay because I've already done a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. It's pretty simple. I just kind of fill in the sparse spots, and that's about it. Seriously guys, I can't say this enough. These are my favorite lashes. My mom couldn't tell if they were fake on this day or not, and I actually had a couple other people comment on them and tell me how pretty they were. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.